Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a questionnaire in Google Forms. Start creating a questionnaire in Google Forms, go to the website or open the Google Forms app on your device. Once you are on Google Forms, you will see options to start a new form. You can choose to create a new form from scratch or use a template. For simplicity, it is often best to start with a blank form. Before you start adding questions, give your form a title and description. This helps people understand what the questionnaire is about. For example, you can title it Questionnaire and add a description like for YouTube video. Click on Add Question to start adding questions to your form. You can choose from different types of questions, such as multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. For example, if you want to ask about gender, you can create multiple choices for the answers. You can choose whether each question is required or optional. Making questions required ensures that people don't skip them. You can add various types of questions to your form, such as capturing email addresses or asking for detailed explanations. For example, you can add a short answer question to capture respondents' email addresses. Sometimes there may be a default question in the form that you don't need. You can adjust these in the form settings. For example, if there is a default question asking for an email address, but you don't need it, you can change the settings to remove it. Once you have added all your questions, you can customize the theme of your form to make it visually appealing. You can change the text style, add images, and adjust colors to match your preferences. When you are ready to share your questionnaire, click on Send. From there, you can choose how you want to distribute it, either via email or generating a link. You can also shorten the link to make it easier to share. Anyone who clicks on the link can access your questionnaire and submit their responses. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.